And the race is on. Queen of Queens was to begin Storm. And moving up by the rails, Fair Heaven. Tell me no lies down on the inside. So Gorgeous McDollar. Queen of Queens, the leader, followed by Tell Me No Lies. Fair Heaven is racing in third from the outside. Storm. My Ray down on the inside, fifth alongside So Gorgeous, rushing up from the outside, Good Humor, McDollar, Avon's Treasure, down on the inside, That Chosen One, Grand Sensation, Yes Joey, to A Blue Chic, while entry number 10, Fiery Princess is running in 14th. Queen of Queens by ahead, Tell Me No Lies, Fair Heaven is racing in third from the outside, rushing up Good Humor. Storm is racing in fifth by Daryl Abun's Treasure. Inside is entry number 2, My Ray rushing up So Gorgeous. McDollar is on the further outside. Inside the last 600, Queen of Kings, this time by some 2 lengths. Good Humor from the outside by Daryl is Fair Heaven. McDollar is racing fourth. Moving up down on the inside is My Ray. Racing towards the last 450. Queen of Queen is leading by some 2 lengths, followed now by My Ray. Fair Heaven from the outside, Good Humor, McDollar, Abon's Treasure down on the inside. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run, Queen of Queens, racing away by some 5 lengths, My Ray in second. And finally, the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra, Queen of Queens, second, My Ray, third, McDollar, Fair Heaven, Good Humor, and for your super sa is number 11, Abon's Treasure.